Hi students, I'm going to show you how you can turn in an audio recording from the tool Synth if that is the option that you decided to use for your Revolutions HyperDoc assignment. So what I'm going to do is on my page here, I see where I could record my Synth response. If you happen to step away from your device, you need to go back to wherever you made your recording. This is how you can do that. I have my recording that I already made here, and I'm going to grab the link to my specific audio recording. So I'll click the three-dot button, share, and then copy. Now the link is copied to my clipboard. I'm going to come back over here to Canvas. I can already see some discussions here. Whenever I want to add a reply, I'm just going to click the button up here that says reply. And then I can just type out a phrase here that just lets the person know I made an audio recording. I'm going to paste in the audio recording that I have there. Now you can make this a hyperlink. It will do it for you automatically, but if you want to do it yourself, you can do that. Whenever I'm finished, my audio recording is there, and I'll just click Post Reply. And that is how your students and your peers in your class can listen to your recordings. I hope this helped answer any questions that you might have.